What? No. I'm just trying to do something here. I know. Well, if you're not here to help, you know, you can always go back sleepy time. Yeah. Nope. No, I'm just messing around with stuff. I'm gonna go back. Let me see. Yes, would like to do so. Do you have? Nope, nothing I'd like to delete. Nothing I'd like to delete. Everyone, yes. CPU, yes. So far, it actually works. Streamlit, though. So Streamlit appears to be the only thing that your installer doesn't install. Unless I'm doing something wrong. Again. You know what? Nope. Let's retcon that. Just give me a second. So to follow Sebastian's bit, I will attempt to run scripts activate PS1 just as soon as everything is done, assuming we don't have any issues with the seg fault like we did before. Okay, so we're downloading some files. So currently I can't use the GPU. So we'll see what happens at this point. I want to make sure that that's legitimate, you know. I do want to get back to the UI though. I don't know if it's going to require me to install Streamlit. On my laptop, I had to install Streamlit. If that's something I got to do here, then I'll do it, but... Oh, okay. Well, the GPU stuff I still have to figure out. Yeah, so WSL won't use my GPU. It's interesting though, when I tried to run the quit command in the CLI syntax, all of a sudden it became a Python expert. So I'm not exactly sure where it's pulling that from because I obviously saw the video. I didn't import anything in. So it must be pulling that from somewhere. Ghost in the Shell, perhaps? I don't. Come on, finish up. Finish up. There we go. All right, so I can send a message. Where did you learn about Python? Oh yeah. I don't know. Every AI is, hallucinating or something. I don't know. All right. So, assuming I can leave that open and running, I need a new PowerShell. There we go. All right. So we're going to go. And then we're going to go. You have a case error in your activate script. It's lowercase a, not capital A, but whatever. If autocomplete found it. Yeah. Running scripts is disabled on this system. Okay, so I also need to activate. Okay, so now we're unrestricted. Let me give it another shot here. Okay, well that's interesting. That's something. Now I should be able to go. God damn, seriously. Ah, see, there you go. There's my issue. All right, so, very good, very good. I already signed up for this, but it's okay. If I get multiple emails, it's fine. Oh, okay. Hey, 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 looky, looky. Okay, so this is already doing more than what it was doing last night. I can only plead ignorance. I was trying to do this at about 11:30 at night, trying to get this done before going to bed. So, yeah. There we go, so you can see me. Yeah, so I plead ignorance. I plead, lack of sleep. So everything seems to be running without the GPU though, so it's gonna be a little slower, but that's fine. Let's see, collection management. Create a collection. Oh right, we're gonna call it Starforged or Ironsworn. because one of the things I wanted to do was try this without using infosec stuff. So we're going to create a collection called Iron Sworn. No spaces, right? Only letters, numbers, and underscores. Fair enough. The loader, which it's loading. Your guy Sebastian hit it right on the head, by the way. Just letting you know. Give him some kudos. He obviously was smarter than I am and figured it out. Oh, so we're getting some output here. Okay, so that's interesting. That's stuff that I didn't see after the fact. So these are all the JSON files. All right, so we're gonna create a collection. Browse. Let's see here. Let me pull down. All right. So I'm going to pull down some PDFs. Let me see. Let's just do the regular rule book. Now the rule book, in case you're wondering, Mick, is just the PDF of. Let me go back and I'll open it up. I'll show you what it looks like. It may be that your system can't incorporate rich text with images and things. I don't know. You're probably saying, no, Brian, it does. You're just an idiot. And I was like, that's fine. I'm cool with that. But yeah, just not. So give you an idea of what it looks like here. Because my idea was, when you mentioned, hey, you can train your own, use your own data sets, uploading PDF, I was like, well, if I can make queries against, say, the 5th edition Dungeons and Dragons DM guide in PDF format, I'm assuming it's using some kind of OCR to scan all the writing in, which is kind of cool. So let me show you the rule book. So this is the rule book for it. Nice art, by the way. This is actually a side project I'm doing in addition to BreakSec called the Peerless Gamer. This is the solo role-playing system that I'm using, and so you got it from here. And so there's, I should be able to read this. ShareX does a pretty good job of, if I do a ShareX and pull the OCR from it comes up and gives me that information as well. So yeah, ShareX does a really good job of capturing OCR in that respect. But yeah, so you got all that. You've got some background here. You got some pictures. You got some text. My wonder is, maybe there's something in this PDF. It didn't work for me last night, but maybe that was because I had done things wrong. But yeah, so the OCR worked here, so I'm gonna give it a shot and see if it will load this for me. All right, so it's uploaded that file. Let me browse one more file. Let me grab the play kit. The play kit is just actually, no, let me turn that one off. The asset cards is what I want. Asset cards. The asset cards are like, tells you what you get by having this item. Kind of like a playing card version, but in paper. So if you have a grappling hook on your spaceship, it tells you what you can do if you get a strong hit, a weak hit, or no hit at all, or a miss. So, all right, so next. Prompter. All right, so language model loaded. Okay, query your data. What do you want to know? So one of the questions I might ask is, let me try to, so let's just ask, what are the modes of play in Starforged? That way, if case it's actually scanning page by page, it should find the PDF fairly quickly. Who created okay. Enhancers, concern or encouragement, no. Persona, cheerful. Question, fact check. Let's do a fact check. How do you... Let's go back to the original. What are the modes of play in Star? What are the modes of play in Starforged? Well, that's not helpful. Please refine your request to closer match the data in the database or ingest more data. Well, it was a... I mean, it's a... What? It's a 77 meg file, so I'm not exactly sure how much more data I need to ingest. I mean, I can't imagine the PCI DSS PDF is 77 megs. Well, anywho. Yeah, that's interesting. So I went back and the files aren't here again. Let me... Oh, this is Streamlit. Okay. I like the idea of the screencast, though. That was nice. I don't know where it's saving it to, but I made one last night, having the same issues that came up, so. Entity count says 0, so it's not saving the PDFs that I've uploaded. Even though the files are obviously smaller than... What? You're a pain in the ass. Yeah. All right, so I've uploaded a lot of stuff. Who created Starforged Ironsworn? No sources found. Interesting. Well, I don't want this to get too long. You probably have a ton of things to do. So I'll have you on the show at some point. We'll figure out what's up. So, all right.